Hey guys, what's up? Skylar Games here, and I'm going to show you how to install a map for Minecraft PE on Mac to an iOS version. Now watch closely. You'll go to this link, and this is a Minecraft PE Bridges PvP map. So go to the link, download, click it, click, download. Downloading. Okay. Then you bring it out on your desktop, okay? And then you're gonna open iExplorer, and I'll show you how to download iExplorer right now. You go into Safari, then the link to iExplorer will be in the description too. And then you're gonna press download, and then you're gonna press starts downloading right here. So just automatically does. Then you're going to open iExplorer. You're going to double click this. You're going to wait for it to be done. Then it will bring you up with this right here. Then you're going to drag this into applications and go to applications. Then you're going to open iExplorer, and you can just open that. Then the iExplorer will be right here. Just drag it out onto this right here. Then you have to plug in your iPad, iPhone, iPod, whatever you're using, and then you plug it in with just a charger, only without the plug-in part. And then you're gonna go into apps. Then you're gonna go down, scroll down until you get to Minecraft PE. Now the top one is usually Minecraft PE Lite. So you want to find you can wait for the pictures to load for Minecraft PE and stuff. See, watch. Come on, minions, work faster for me. Then you open documents. So you open Minecraft right here, that arrow, and then you open documents after the gerbils run in the wheel. See, look, that has the little green light sign right there. And then, so you're going to open documents, then you're going to open games, then you're going to open com.mojang. Then you're going to open Minecraft Worlds. And these are all my worlds. You'll have different worlds because those are my worlds. And then you just put it in there. Minecraft Worlds. You just drag this, put it in Minecraft Worlds. And then you're going to want to press the red thing right there. And then you're going to click the red thing right here. And then you're going to unplug your charger / into the computer thing. So you're going to unplug it. And then I'll show you the rest on the iPad.